Evan's new favorite toy. It's just amazing.
State police officer.
What's up? You gotta, yeah, do that. There you go. What's up?
Yeah, just driving my car.
You are?
Yeah.
You look cool. Oh, who's that over there?
Yeah, take a picture and send Mom it. Yeah, take a picture and send Mom it.
Okay.
Or truck. It's fast. I think it holds 1,000 pieces of gas.
And are you pulling somebody over, or are you just gonna shoot somebody?
Robbers.
I'm breaking in. All right, say bye-bye.